Question number 1.
Good morning to all of you. Yesterday we have to complete one question of exercise 17B. Now we have to solve second questions and other questions. Okay? Okay, sir. Silence everyone. See that a cone of height 20 centimeter. I have to read the question. After that I have to explain this type of the question or homework. In previous year this type of the question question we have to solve. A cone of height 20 centimeter and radius of 5 centimeter made of modeling clay. A child shapes in the form of a sphere. Find the diameter of the sphere. You see that suppose you have a cone whose height is
20.
This is your cone whose height is 20 centimeter. This is given 20 centimeter and base radius given 5 centimeter. You see that suppose this we have to calculate the material, we have to recast it or we have to meditate it. This is the clay. So after that we have to recap. So same volume of the sphere we have to make or not?
Yes.
By this material we have to make a sphere. We have to make a sphere. So the volume of cone equals to what? Volume of sphere. Volume of cone is Saurabh. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pratik, volume of sphere
4 by 3 pi r square.
4 by 2 pi r cube. R given, h given. We have to calculate 1 by 3 pi r square h. Question say that find the diameter of the square. You have to put that 1 by 3 pi r square is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi and pi. Cancel out 3 and 3. Cancel out. R square h you have to calculate it. R value given, h value given divided by 4 equals to r cube. Then you have to find the value of r cube. And this is the radius. And if you want to calculate the diameter, 2 times it. Homework it is.
10 answer.
Okay. Question number 3. A metallic sphere of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. To see that, question 2 is homework. To see that metallic sphere of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively is melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. You see that suppose you have 3 solid spheres. We have to melt these 3 solid spheres. We have to melt these 3 solid spheres and make a big solid sphere. Question of asked that what is the radius or diameter of this solid sphere? You see that this diameter I think given, radius given or diameter given? Radius given 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. You tell to me whenever you have to melt it, then you have to find the volume. It means you have to add these 3 volume and by this volume you have to make a big sphere. It means this volume equals to this big sphere volume equals to the sum of these 3 sphere volume. Sum of these 3 sphere volume. It means and sphere volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. It means 6 cube plus 4 by 3
8 cube.
pi into 8 cube plus 4 by 3 pi into 10 cube equals to 10 cube equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This r is the radius of big sphere. You see that 4 by 3 pi you have to common out. What you have to common out? Remains value is 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. You see that 4 by 3 pi and pi cancel out. This will be equals to, this implies that value of r cube equals to what? 206 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. This implies that r cube 6 cube 6 at 416
1728.
10 cube 1000 and 8 cube is
1728.
okay, and 1728 is the cube of 12. What is the idea? You see that this implies that r cube equals to what?
R is equal to 12.
R is for R value of this total 216 plus 1000 plus this one value of 8 cube 8 8 ja
Yes, sir.
64 64 8 ja 512 260 plus 512 plus 1000 this will be equals to
1728.
1728 which is the cube of 12. This implies that value of r is 12. Like same question number 4.
Easy, sir.
You see that only question I have asked that you have to melt first one. This will be by the same volume you have to make second one. It means both volume are same to each other or not. Which quantity you have to ask the question, you have to calculate this quantity. Question number 4 and 5 is homework.
Okay, sir.
Hemisphere whose base is annual radius. This is the annual radius. 5 centimeter. As you tell to me if anyone asks what is the thickness of the material? 2 centimeter. This is the thickness. You see that question tell that.
Sir, internal one is of that. Which one is internal, sir?
This one, boundary. Here touch the boundary, this is the internal.
After that
And
is-
total we have to calculate it from here to here. This 2 meter added. And this is the external. It means thickness of the material whenever you have to add. This is the external diameter. You see that question I have asked that it is melted and recast into a solid cone. Base diameter 14 centimeter and height of the cone so formed.
What is this, sir?
Hemisphere. Delete it. If you have problem, then you have to delete it. To see that question tell that you have a hollow hemisphere whose internal radius is 3 centimeter, diameter given 6 centimeter, means internal radius is 3 centimeter, external radius is 5 centimeter. We have to melted it. We have to melted it and we have to recast a cone. We have to recast a cone and whose base diameter given 14 centimeter. It means radius is 7 centimeter. If we have to melted this one, so this same volume we have to use to make the cone or not. It means volume of the sphere equals to what? Volume of the sphere equals to what? Volume of cone. It means 2 by 3 pi r cube, but this is not cube, this is hollow sphere. Then 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. Volume of hollow sphere is 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. This is the identity or not? A cube minus b cube equals to what? Aryan, what is the identity? This identity a cube minus b cube equals to what?
Sir, if the a minus b in one bracket,
A minus b in one bracket,
in another bracket a square
a square
plus b square
plus b square
plus ab.
plus ab. Very good. Okay. To see that now we have to use the formula volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere equals to what? Volume of cone. Question of asked that here what is the height of cone? Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square. And you see that these are the quantity are given. These two quantity are equal to each other because we have to melted this hemisphere and we have to recast a cone. It means by same material we have to make a cone. It means these two volumes are equal to each other. Calculate it.
Sir, if we have taken out the thickness, then what is the need to apply the formula of hollow hemisphere?
Question of asked that what is the volume of the material? Right? Suppose this radius is given, so what is exact volume we have to calculate by this one? This is the exact formula, no? Otherwise, how you have to calculate what is the total material? This one and this part, how you have to calculate it? Got it the idea? Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi, just like you to mention. Capital R cube minus small r cube. So height cube minus 3 cube.
125
Height
minus
cube minus 3 cube equals to what? 1 by 3 pi
r square.
r square h. 1 by 3 pi and this 3 and 2. This pi is cancelled out. Okay. 2 pi cube 125
It's 98.
minus 3 3 9 3 ja
98.
125 minus 27. This is 98.
That only I am telling.
This is the 98 equals to pi r. This only remains for r square h. 49
It's
into h. 49 2 ja
4 is the height.
49 to ja 90. This implies that value of h equals to what? 4 centimeter. This type of the question only are. And listen to me, this type of question necessarily they have to ask in the exam. And you see that maximum this type of question had to ask before in the previous year's exam. These are the two mark questions. One more time I have to explain this question. Question I tell that suppose you have a hollow hemisphere. What you have? Whose internal diameter given 6 centimeter. It means radius is 3 centimeter. External diameter given 10. It means external radius is 5 centimeter. We have to melt it. What we have to? We have to melt it and recast a solid cone whose diameter given 14 centimeter. It means radius is 7 centimeter. Question I have asked that what is the height of this cone? What question I have asked? What is the height of this cone? You know that by the same material you have to make a cone. It means volume of these two are equal to each other or not. This is the concept of the question. The volume of the first material equals to the volume of the second material. And first material is the hemisphere, hollow hemisphere, and second one is the cone. And volume of the solid hollow hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube, and volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. We have to apply this one.
Sir, the answer is
8 upon 3. ये प्राप्त कर लो calculated.
6 only, 4 only, sir.
You have to see that. Question number 6 it is beta.
Question number 6.
4 centimeter given. Okay. Till here anyone have any doubt? Yes, beta. See that question number 7 and 8 are homework. Question number 7 says that a copper rod.
The seventh one.
See that a copper rod 2 centimeter and length is 10 centimeter is drawn into a wire uniform thickness and length 10 meter. Find the thickness of the. You see that what question I have asked that. Only I have to make the figure. Don't be confused. Both are the cylinder. Wire are the
Yes, sir.
cylinder.
Wire is not.
Because wire of the fixed shape. It means it internal or external radius are also fixed from starting to end. And like same cylinder have the fixed radius from starting to end. It means whenever wire is given, you have to assume it as like a cylinder. Okay. See that what question I have to tell that
we have to find diameter.
No.
you see that question say that a copper rod of diameter 2 centimeter. Suppose this is copper rod. This is your copper rod. Diameter 2 centimeter. Diameter given 2 centimeter. It means radius equals to what?
1.
This rod radius is 1 centimeter and length is 10 centimeter. This length is, it means height given. Exactly this is the height of the cylinder. This length given 10 centimeter. See that. It run into a wire uniform thickness of length. It run into a wire of uniform thickness length 10 meter. Suppose after this we have to melt it and we have to make a
10 meter.
10 meter wire. The what are the changes? You see that radius is decreased. If you have to increase the by same material you have to make this
Yes,
two, then radius is the second one. If length is increased, then radius is decreased. Because material are same. Here 1 centimeter is thickness. Here thickness is less than much more less than, because this is only 10 centimeter length and this is the
10 only.
10
Meter.
You have to got the question. We have to melt it. We have a rod given or this one given. Rod is also, you see that here rod are given. This is the rod. This is a cylindrical shape or not?
Yes, sir.
So question says that its diameter given 2 centimeter. It means radius is 1 centimeter and its length is 10 centimeter. Suppose we have to melt it and we have to make a new wire, thin wire we have to make. Whose length is 10 meter. Question I have asked that find the thickness of the wire. It means you have to find the radius.
Yes.
Diameter. Exactly question I have asked about the diameter. Thickness means what? 2 times of the radius. I first should calculate the radius and diameter. You have to calculate anyway. And then you
Yes,
tell to
sir.
me both are the cylindrical shape or not.
Yes.
But you see that there are change in the unit. Here
Centimeter to meter.
given in the meter, here given in the centimeter. So you have to if you want then convert this one in the centimeter, either this one in the meter.
This one will
You see that suppose this is pi r1 square h1 rod volume and pi r2 square h2 is wire volume. See here any problem? Both volume are equal, but first we have to convert the quantity. First we have to convert the
Centimeter into
quantity.
meter.
1 centimeter. If you want to convert in the meter, then
Divide by 1000.
divided by
100
centimeter, not kilometer. Divided by 100. And this is 1 centimeter divided by 100. Then R equal to what? 1 upon 100 meter. And this H equal to what? 1 upon 10. This is 1 upon 10. This is 10 divided by 100. 1 upon 10 meter. Okay. Therefore, you have to mention according to question. This is question number 6. Solution 6. According to
7.
okay. You see that according to question pi leave that r1 square 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 into value of h 1 by 10 equals to what? Pi r2 square. This we have to calculate. Pi r2 square h2 10 meter. Pi and pi both का pi and pi cancel out. 10 and
No, sir.
no, this will be multiplied here. This implies that you see that r square equals to 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 and this will also come after here 1 by 100 and you will 10 into 10 into 10. How many times? This implies that r square equals to what?
And 1 over 6.
10 to the power 60. 600 also. This 10 you have to transfer here. Okay? This is multiplied here. When you have to remove in the left hand side, it will be divided 10 into 10. 100. How many zero? 6 zero. This implies that
1 upon 10.
value of
100.
1 upon 1000 beta. As you see that, don't multiply it. 1 by 100 value, 1 by 10, 1 by 100 value, 1 by 10, 1 by 100 value, 1 by 10. 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 is 1 by 1000. And this implies that value of R is 1 by 1000 meter. Value of R is 1 by 1000
It's a
meter.
1 by 10
And if you calculate the thickness, it means diameter is
Thickness.
2 times, it means 1 upon D equals to what? 1 upon 500. You have to not divide it, you have to multiply here. Diameter equals to what? 2 times of the radius. 2 into 1 upon 1000, this will be 1 upon 500 meter.
0.2.
0 point
Not for this, for centimeter.
500, 1 divided by 500, this will be 0.00.
Yes,
You see that 1 divided by 500. Mention the point. This is 0. Mention the 0. 0. Again 1 0. 2. Point 0 0. 2. Point 002 meter. Diameter is 0.002 meter and radius is 0.001 meter. What is the idea?
Yes, sir.
Question, you have got the question. We have a rod whose radius given 1 centimeter, length given 10 centimeter. By this material, we have to make a thin wire. Both are the cylindrical type. 10 meter. You see that length are increased. It means radius is decreased. This radius is 1 centimeter or 1 upon 100 meter, and this radius is 1 upon 1000 meter. 10 time difference is there. You see also here 10 time difference is in the length.
Yes, sir.
If this is the objective question, then directly you have to give the answer. This is 1 by 10 time of the radius. That is the idea or not? Suppose this is the MCQ type of the question. If this length is increased 10 times, if length is increased 10 times, then radius is decreased 10 times. What is the questions or not?
Yes.
Okay. Question number 8 is homework. 8 and 9 is homework.
Length is increased 100 and then
Question number 9. You see that in question number 9, question has said that suppose you have a sphere given. What is the given? Sphere given. And by this sphere we want to make a number of cones. Cone, radius and height is given. So this first you calculate the total volume of the sphere and divided by the one volume of the cone. It means by volume of one cone. Total volume of sphere divided by volume of one cone. Then you divide how many numbers of cone we have. Question number 10 and 11. See that? Question number 10 and 11. 10 done. 10 done. Okay. Question number 16 you try to solve. You are try to solve till question number 16 like same type of the question. First one you have to maintain and recast into the second. You have to only put the first one volume equals to the second one volume. Till question number 16 you try to solve.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And in next class we will start the revision. Come and see us.
After CMC, I will not do.
When you will start doing that? Monday.
First class you do, and listen to me. Other chapters we have also continued with the CRT. Okay.
Triangles. Because sir, in this we have no question of triangle we have to go.
Keep silent. No, your answer is completed, beta. What is the volume of phone?
Seven. 77 upon 4 8
Keep silence. Class. Whenever you solve the keep silence. Whenever you solve the question, this will become 504. 504. So see that a answer solve the question for each
What we are not able to understand, sir. क्या क्या लिखा है वो आठ क्वेश्चन
They don't know anything.
keep silence. You see that question says that you have a sphere given. You have a sphere given and a cone given whose radius and height given. By this hemisphere we want to make a number of cones. It means the material of sphere is too much than the cone. We have to find the volume of the sphere and we have to find the volume of one cone. We have to find the volume of one cone. Total volume of the sphere divided by the volume of one cone. We have to get how many number of cones we have to make by this volume. What is the idea? You see that total diameter given 21, it means radius is 21 by 2. Here to use the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 21 by 2 21 by 2. Here to calculate it 4851. This will be equal to 1 by 3 and volume of 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. Thank you everyone.